Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a last topic, a last practical of Synfig animation, that is image slideshow. It is a 5th chapter animation. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's move. First of all, to create a picture slideshow, we have to select the images. Now we know how to add images onto the canvas, that is from caret, file and import, or we can directly press Ctrl+I. Okay, from here we can select the images, right? So from here I am selecting the image. Okay, now in the newer version of Synfig, the images are imported along with additional attributes like scale, rotate. Okay, so we will simply use the image, so we will remove that image from this inline and delete this additional layer. Now I have only the image. Okay, now go to the canvas navigator. You can see this is the actual size. Now I will resize the image like this. Okay, again Ctrl+I, select another image, remove this image from the inline and delete this. Okay, now you can see here I have added 4 images. Now we will create a slideshow effect in an animation. For that, first of all, select all the images, press shift key and select all 4 images, right? Then change the blend method from composite to straight. From composite to straight. Now select individual image, right click on the amount property, select option convert timed swap. Convert timed swap. Now as soon as you click on the timed swap, automatically you can see a triangle is created over the amount attribute. Now click on it and you can see 4 additional attribute: before, after, time and length. This before and after represents the visibility of image during the animation. Before means before starting the time, it is 1, it means it will be visible. After, it is also 1, so after the time it will also be visible, so we will change it to 0, means after its particular time it will be disappeared. Now for the first image I am changing the time to 5 seconds. Okay, first image will remain on the screen for 5 seconds. This length attribute defines transition of visibility to invisibility. So here I am changing it to 2 seconds. That means in a pure way, first image will remain on the screen for 3 seconds and after 3 seconds it will gradually disappear, and in the end of 5th second it will be completely disappear. Okay, and we can see the below image. Okay, now select the second image, right click, convert, timed swap. Now for the second image, again I'll change the properties after 0. Time, now here time we need to change it to 10 seconds. Why? Because it is the second image. Because it is the second image, so it should remain present even the first image getting transited. Here length will be same 2 seconds, right? Now select third image, right click, convert, timed swap. After make it 0, time change to now third image 15 seconds, right? And fourth image, again amount, right click, convert, timed swap. Now here I'll change after to 0, time to 20 seconds, and here transition time 2 seconds. Now you can see the first image is having 5 second duration, right? Second image is having 10 second duration, third image is having 15 second, and fourth image is having 20 second. This is because while transiting all the images above it, it will be remain present on the screen, but it will not appear, right? Why? Because all the images are overlapped. First image will disappear in 5 seconds. During this time, second image was always there. Second image will disappear after the next 5 seconds. Third image will remain there, okay, for 10 seconds. Now third image will disappear after 15 seconds, and last image will appear for last 5 seconds of 20-second duration. Now I have to change the timing. For that, click on caret, canvas, properties, go to time and change it to end time 20 seconds. Apply. Okay. Now we don't need to create any kind of animation. We don't need to start with the animate edit mode and nothing. We simply go to preview, change the quality 1, FPS 24, and see the preview. Now see, this image is a larger image, okay, and we are having 20 seconds animation, so it will take, might be it taking longer time to render. So we will wait for it, and as soon as it will complete, we will start the animation. Okay, so here my rendering is over, so let's check it. Okay, so here you can see the transition of image is taking 2 second time, and each image is displayed over the screen for actually 3 seconds. So total time will be 5 seconds for each image. So this is a simple picture slideshow. Okay.